All right, I'm in the elevator, heading down. Hi, I'm Spencer. This is the ItalianTuneUp. What's up? So, God, I think it was months ago, maybe even a year ago now, I posted a video saying that everything's about to change. Well, everything did change. My life has gone through kind of like a major transformation. As far as not only where I live, I have a new partner. She is totally awesome and wonderful. And I've learned how to live life in sort of a much more productive way. Unfortunately, all that means is I haven't really been able to work on my car for quite some time. And it's been sitting in its garage. I've been amassing a small group of parts for major projects, and I still need to order a lot more. But one of the coolest things I got was a new set of Quickjacks. And, well, you see I'm wearing this mask. That means that coronavirus has come, and today is sort of getting to be the end of May. And with that coming, I'm heading up into the summer months. They're starting to relieve the lockdowns and stuff. So today, I'm gonna go work on my car and build my Quickjacks that I pretty much bought at Christmas time and got so busy I wasn't able to set up. So a lot of major work is about to happen on the GT4. Here's the old workhorse. This wonderful little wagon. God, I love it so much. This is downtown San Diego, and this is kind of what it's looked like amidst the pandemic. This is the Gaslamp District, the famous Gaslamp District, where everybody comes to visit, where I live right next to. And as you can see, it's starting today, get back to business as normal. You can see them resuming construction projects and stuff, but this was all really, really quiet for some time. And to be honest, I was so locked down that I didn't really know how many people were out or not. But every time that we did sort of make a walk to a restaurant to do to-go food, it was pretty quiet. Well, here, this is kind of like the most sad that I've ever seen my own stuff. I've got boxes on top of the car. Here's my jacks that need to get built. Motorcycle parts on top of the car. Tires are probably a little bit considerably flat spotted. And the workshop is just kind of in a whole big mess. And I think the first step here is just to take an assessment of all my parts, get everything straight, and yeah, it's time to build these jacks here. Here's the jacks, and there's the box number 3, and get this car up in the air. And then after I do that, I think it's going to be sort of a get everything clean session. I know the last time I was here, I sort of put all my tools away and cleaned up everything there. Yeah, we got projects. Let's get this going. They both are, both sides. Very clearly, you got the left and the right. I've got to clear out all this stuff so I can put them in there. And there we go. That's it. Just like magic. That was like the crappiest YouTube edit I think I've ever seen. These things are heavy. I got them out. First set is to fit some of the fittings onto these, which are the trays. Yeah, they're big. They're very robust. I think they'll have no problem holding up the car and lifting it. It says 5,000 pounds. That thing weighs probably around 3,000, if not a touch over. And yeah, well, not only that, there's an attachment for this that I can lift up the bike and have a lift for the bike separately. So I think the first thing though is to get the car going, and then I'll get the bike going afterwards, or at least maybe they're in the middle. Essentially, long-term plans for this are not set yet. This is my baby. She's staying around forever. All right, so let's get those fittings on.